So the first interesting thing about Webull is that it has one of the best promotional systems that I'm aware of. For example, before you sign up, you should really use someone's referral link. Even if that's mine, I'll happily give it to you, because we both might get $60 worth of free stocks on average, sometimes more or less. And then you can refer people yourself later. Anyway, once you sign up with or without that, this markets page has all kinds of stuff when you first open the app. You can scroll through top gainers, top losers. You can use a screener to search for pretty much any stock or option that meets your criteria. You can go to the bottom left to look at your positions or your watch lists, which are just basically any stock where you click the heart to add it to your watch list. Click the bottom to actually search for stocks, like here. You click at the bottom, you see ones you've looked at, or type in the one you want to look at. Let's say that we type in ZIM to look at ZIM. Here's the chart. You can change the chart however you want, and Webull has a lot of different indicators you can use. So next, if you click the options chain, you can see all the options that they offer. They're categorized by date, but make sure at the bottom right that you're on call or put, whichever one you want to look at. Now, news is one of the best features in Webull. Every stock has these tabs: chart, options, news. News has a bunch of news articles about the stock. I think Robinhood only has like 3. Also, the feeds are interesting. This is just basically where the community talks about this stock. If you want to say something or read what people have to say, the analysis can kind of be like analyst ratings, whether to buy or sell or hold in their opinion. If you click company, you can see what they're about or their dividends, which in this case, you can see that about 48% a year is how much ZIM is paying back in dividends. Now, let's say you want to buy an option. Go to the options chain. Say that you click this one, and right here, you just literally buy it. Set the price you want to buy it at, click buy. If you own it, you can switch over to sell it. Of course, once you already own it, it'll be in your asset list, and you can just click it and sell it from there. But otherwise, you can actually just come here and sell it if you wanted for some reason, if you were having trouble finding it. So there's 2 ways to get to it. Then, of course, if you click trade at the bottom left, this is actually how you buy shares. Same thing, if you already own them, you can sell them, but it's easier to get to it in your actual asset list, your portfolio, to sell it if you already have it. Now, if you click the order area, you can change to all sorts of different orders. Instead of just buy or sell right now, you can do market order, limit order, stop order, tell it to expire in 90 days, not 1. The menu at the bottom right, this is where you can see all the promotions. This is where you can paper trade, get help, and all of that. Now, back to the menu at the bottom, if you click the center option, this takes you to your portfolio. It shows the stocks you have, your performance, your history, your documents. That's also where you transfer money in. You don't have to do the slow bank transfer anymore, where you can only buy shares instantly but have to wait days to be able to buy options or volatile stocks or penny stocks. Because finally, like Robinhood has and kind of public, Webull finally added a debit card for instant deposits. I think Robinhood is better about letting you use unsettled funds for stuff, even if it's from a bank account, not a debit card. Also, a penny stock, Webull wants you to buy at least 100 shares of a stock under $1 per share, but Robinhood will let you buy one 50-cent stock share if you want. Also, in rare cases, let's say there's an option worth $3, well, Robinhood will happily let you buy or sell it for $3, but Webull may say no, you have to do it in intervals of 5, so buy or sell it for 1 or 5, but not 3, which can be annoying.